everyone, welcome back to PetesWorldofLego. So I've been asked by a few people to do a review of this. So I will. So what I'll do, I'll show you first the build process and the stages of build, and then I'll run through what I think of the Tower of Barad-Dûr in a sec. As well as the tower, I'll be running through the Lego truck, the Lego Delivery Lorry, American style one, which I built too, which is pretty cool. So I'll run you through that as well. So this is the front of the tower, this is the base, this is the first section that gets built. Very impressive architecturally. There's kind of lava flowing at the bottom, all these different colours. There's the entrance in. Those doors do open, I'll show you how they open from the back. This is the next level up, so there's a bit of rock running through. There's a smaller tower on this side and on that side. And then the third tower is, third level is here. So they've got some great detailing on here. The little flames coming out up to the top bits. Got these spears used for detailing effect, and at the top the eye, which actually rotates, moves up and down, and as you look behind it there's a light brick which you press like that, so it angles up towards the eye. It's daylight, so I'm not sure you're going to get too much effect. So there we go. Let me press it. No, you can't. I'll put in a shot of it when it's lit up in the dark, but great little addition of a light brick there. So all in all, I'm very impressed. It's a beast, as it were. Okay, so here's the other side. So on the bottom level is the dungeon and the forge area. So you've got a skeleton in a cage here and a little wheel that moves him up and down next to the orc. He's not very happy with him. And there's a little forge in here. Looks like some lava coming out so they can forge their spears. Around the side here, just here, this turns and this opens the door. So if you look through, you can see straight through. There we go. That's a good little feature. And there's Gollum in his little den with his fish behind him, if you can just make that out. And 3 orc minifigures. You also get Frodo and Sam on the little rock that they escape to after they throw the ring into the pits of Mount Doom. So next level is obviously the kitchen. So you've got a Chef Orc table full of goodies, or orc goodies anyway, and bones. There's another orc with a helmet on, which is good. Nice little detailing, little seats at the front there. Next one up is Sauron's throne room, which is good because there's a little button here you pull. I need to remove Sauron, who's an exceptional minifigure, by the way. Look at that. And his cape. Brilliant. Let's pop him down there. So you pull this open and you get his little all-seeing eye. What's it called? Crystal ball. And his map room. Yeah, really good bit of detailing. You push it back in and he's got his throne there. So let's put him on his throne. Let's stand him up. There he is on his throne. Do those remind you of Empire vibes from Star Wars? They do me. Let me stand up. So up above, there's the mouth of Sauron. And that's his little room, this little library room. Another excellent minifigure. His face and lips are rotting because he has to say the words of Sauron. And they are poisonous. And up above is a little library with a ladder in it, which I think moves round. Not sure. No, I think it's fixed. But it's good. And there's the light brick at the top that lights up the eye. Oh, it looks better from the back, you can see it. And there we have it. Brilliant set. Good playability actually for an 18+ set. So what do you think? Value for money? It's over £400. I've got various insider points off and discounts, so I didn't pay £400 for it, but yeah. Good selection of minifigs. All in all, I'll give it a good 9.5 out of 10. Really excellent display piece. Let me know your thoughts. So that was the tower. All in all, pretty good. I'm impressed. Lego done a good job there. Interesting to know if anyone's built 2 back-to-back and made the complete round tower. That'd be interesting. And also, just a point, carrying it around, pretty easy. Take the top bit off, which is locked in with a cross-shaped bar. Once you take that out, take that top section off. The rest of it's quite easy to transport around, so there's no issues there. Gonna get dusty though, black Lego, but keep it in nick, and I think that'd be a good display piece for years to come. Anyway, onto the Lego truck. Then Lego articulated lorry, or if you're American, semi. It must be American because they always have a hot dog stand in American sets. So there you go, there's a hot dog stand with a billboard, and I guess she's the either a customer or runs the hot dog stand. There's a forklift. It's got an elastic band on it that goes up and down. If I can tell, it's hard to do it with one hand. There you go. So I'll show you in a minute how that works with the lorry. Another member of staff, and in there, there's a lorry driver. The top of his front comes off, so you can get him in and out. There he is, beardy fellow. Doors open. As you can see. Oh, she's fallen over. And he's got a little bunk in the back to sleep in, which is a good detail. Front of the truck looks awesome though. There you go. So, it's got the little detailing behind the cab there. Like I say, it definitely themed on an American semi. Anyway, let's have a look inside. So the sides lift up like this. In here, this lifts up as well. There's a section in there. I think it's got tools and that in it. There you go. There's the truck tools. So playability is really good. That just slides in there. That bit comes down. It opens both sides, as you can see. These two big doors open. And then you've got all the boxes of Lego in there. And along comes Mr. Forklift. Push that down. Slide it in. Lifts it up. Pulls it out. How about that? Isn't that good? There's 4 pallets of boxes in there that you can play with. And he's finished unloading. You just close the doors and off the truck goes. What a great set. Loving the yellow. There's the rear. These doors open as well. So you can see all up through the truck. Let me move. There you go. So yeah, there's loads of moving parts. And playability for the youngsters, really good. I recommend that set. I ordered it, it was on back order, so it's very popular. Let's close the driver's door, because he's got deliveries to make. No, I'll give that a good 9.5 out of 10. Really good. For 10 out of 10, it has to be exceptional, but pleased I've got it, and it's going to look good on my Lego displays when I eventually get to do them. Quick update on the Lego room. So, let me show you. Cleared most of it out now. Everything's gone. It's very hollow in here now, as you can hear. I've got a blind on orders, that's yet to arrive. I've got a few bits that I'm going to run through in the proper Lego room vlog, and that'll be coming soon. Yeah, it's just got to get this beast out. But we haven't found where to put it yet, so yeah, there we go. Well, that's it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed my reviews of those 2 sets. And a little quick update on the Lego room. There'll be more on that coming up. And yeah, I'm just waiting for a few bits to turn up. And then I'm going to start painting, I think. That needs to be done. I think I've decided on grey, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll let you know in the next vlog. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps people grow on YouTube. Bye for now.